Okay, so the next set of trigonometric formulas are sum of angles. Okay, so what if you get something like this, cos of a plus b. So whatever you write inside of this bracket is an angle. So whatever this cos and sine and all the trigonometric functions are operating on, these are called operators, and these are the terms on which these are operating. Okay, so these are angles. Okay, they may be in degrees or radians. Okay, so now you have sum of the angles inside the bracket. So what is cos of a plus b? Okay, so the formula for cos of a plus b is cos a cos b, cos a times cos b, okay, minus sin a times sin b. Okay, so you can take the cos and sine of individual angles and then multiply cos a cos b, subtract sin a sin b. Okay, so this is the formula for cos a plus b. Okay, the second formula is again, what if you have difference, cos a minus b. Okay, so what is cos a minus b? It is same as the above, cos a cos b, except for the sine, plus sin a sin b. So in the case of cos, the sum of angles give you will have difference in the RHS. For the difference of angle, you will have sum in the RHS. So if it is a plus b, then it is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. If it is a minus b, it is cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Okay, so you have already, like in the 12th there was derivation for this, how you arrive at this formula, but right now you just need to remember this formula, you know, like it's written on your hand or something like that. Okay, so the next one, so for cos there are two formulas. Okay, then for sine, so what is sine a plus b? Okay, so what if you get sum of angles inside the sine? So it is sine a cos b plus cos a sin b. So it is alternate. Okay, so if you have sine, it is sine and cos, cos and sine, and if you have plus, it will be plus. So sin a plus b is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. And this similarly, what is sin a minus b? Sin a minus b is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Okay, so these are the four formulas for two functions, cos and sine. Okay, so remaining I have tan of a plus b. So you need to remember, under the sum of angles you have 6 formulas, 2 for each, cos, sine and tan. So what is tan of a plus b? It is not like this. It is something like tan of a plus b is tan a plus tan b in the numerator. So tan of a plus c is tan a plus tan b over 1 minus tan a into tan b. Right. So this is a ratio, or it's a fraction, and if you have plus in the sum of the, if you have sum of the angles, there will be plus in the numerator and then minus in the denominator. And if you have difference of angle, tan a minus b, then you will have tan a minus b is tan a minus tan b over 1 plus tan a tan b. Okay, so these are very important formulas. Okay, so that's why this is the first thing you will learn in this video course. Okay, so these are 6 sum of angle formulas. We will extrapolate something from these formulas that we will use in engineering. Okay, so for the case, what if in this formula, in this tan a plus b formula, okay, what if I have something like this, tan pi by 4 plus theta. So a is pi by 4 and b is theta. Why am I taking pi by 4? Because I know tan pi by 4 is same as tan 45 degree, and it is 1. So the value of tan pi by 4 or the tan 45 degree is 1. Okay, so what happens to the expansion here? What if I substitute in the formula? What should I get according to the formula? So tan a plus b is tan a. Tan a is what? Tan pi by 4. So tan pi by 4 is what? 1. Okay, or I'll write one more step. Okay, so I'll get tan pi by 4 plus tan theta, because b is theta, a is pi by 4 and b is theta, over 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan theta. Okay, so what will I get? This is equal to tan pi by 4 is 1. 1 plus tan theta over 1 minus tan pi by 4 is 1. 1 into tan theta is tan theta. So tan pi by 4 plus theta is same as 1 plus tan theta over 1 minus tan theta. Okay. What else is 1 plus tan theta over 1 minus tan theta? See, if I have something like this, cos theta plus sin theta over cos theta minus sin theta. Okay. So what if you see something like this in your engineering question paper or engineering textbook, right? So what should you do when you see like this? So first thing, you need to divide every term by cos theta. Okay, so every term in the numerator and denominator, if you divide them by cos theta, nothing changes, because if you take common cos theta outside, if you factor out cos theta, it will cancel and you will get the same equation back. Okay, so you are not changing any values, you are just making it, you are simplifying it. Okay, so what is cos theta over cos theta? Cos theta over cos theta is 1 and cos theta over cos theta is 1. Okay, and sin theta over cos theta, in the previous slides what we learned, the ratio of sin theta and cos theta is tan theta. So this will be equal to what? 1 plus tan theta over 1 minus sin theta over cos theta is tan theta. See, 1 plus tan theta over 1 minus tan theta, I have got 1 plus sin theta over 1 minus tan theta. So this is, can I write? This is same as tan pi by 4 plus theta, right? So what formula did I get now? What formula did I derive? From all of these, I derived cos theta plus sin theta over cos theta minus sin theta. If you encounter something like this in any way in the question, you can just write it as tan pi by 4 plus theta. Okay, so similarly, if you change the signs, cos theta minus sin theta over cos theta plus sin theta, so instead of plus and minus in the numerator and denominator, I have minus and plus in the numerator and denominator. What will I get? What will this be equal to? It will be equal to tan pi by 4 minus theta. So this is particularly useful in your first chapter, polar coordinates. You need to convert all the terms into tan, and you will have something like this in terms of cos and sin in the LHS. You have to use this formula to convert to tan pi by 4 plus theta and tan pi by 4 minus theta. So other than these 6 sum of angles formulas, you need to remember these 2 formulas. These 2 are for the purpose of engineering. You will use this also in engineering, and these 2 especially. And you can derive few more formulas, 3 more formulas based on what is cos A, cos B, sin A, sin B, and something like that. But that will keep for when it is necessary. That will derive when it is necessary.